Hello everybody and welcome back to Business Guide. One of the simplest ways to make money online is to sell other people's products. The practice is commonly referred to as affiliate marketing. In a nutshell, you find an interesting product online and agree with the vendor to give you a commission for every sale that you drive to their website. If you're new to this, we know that you're thinking, how do you find such products? How do you negotiate with vendors? How do they know that the sale was referred to by you? How and when do they pay you, and how can you trust them? And most importantly, how can you promote their products effectively and make a nice living doing it? This is where ClickBank and many other similar networks chime in. Today, we're going to be talking about how to earn $514.46 a day while you sleep. Make sure you stay, as you don't want to miss out on these amazing ways. What is ClickBank? ClickBank is an affiliate network known for being home to thousands of digital products like ebooks, videos, and software. They're simply middlemen between product vendors and affiliates. If you're the vendor, then you create your own product and set it up using ClickBank's system. Then they list your product in their marketplace so that tens of thousands of affiliates can see you. They handle the tracking using unique tracking links and cookies so they know exactly where the sale come from and credit their referring account accordingly. Confused? It'll be clear in a moment. A lot of people start off as affiliates and then, later on, become vendors. We will focus on making money as an affiliate in this blog post, as it's the simpler route. As an affiliate, all you have to do is sign up for a ClickBank affiliate account and then start browsing their marketplace, which lists all the available products from their partner vendors. Once you find a good product, we'll get to that in a moment, ClickBank will give you a unique affiliate link that points to the vendor's sale page. All you have to do then is make people buy through that link. You earn a commission for any sale mailed through your affiliate link. Why ClickBank? Is ClickBank legit? Yes, ClickBank is legit. They aren't as well known as Amazon Associates program, but they do a great job of providing people like you and me with products to recommend our readers. ClickBank is not alone in what they do. There are many similar affiliate networks, so why and when you would choose ClickBank over the others? Here's a breakdown of the top advantages we see. Very high commissions. Most ClickBank products pay 70% commission. You read that right. So in that case, if you sell a $100 product, you earn $70. You might think that's way too high to be real, but it is. They're mainly able to do that because most of their products are digital, which means there are no production costs, shipping costs, or any other costs that are usually associated with physical products, hence the high commissions. They pay fast, as often as weekly or bi-weekly. Many affiliate networks pay on a net 30 basis, which means that they keep your money for 30 days after you've earned them. This can be a huge inconvenience and create cash flow problems, especially if you're running paid traffic. They're newbie friendly. Some affiliate networks are strict when it comes to accepting new affiliates. They're usually scared of fraudsters who can potentially jeopardize the network's relationships with their advertisers and vendors by using shady promotional techniques. While this cautiousness is generally a good thing, it also makes it hard for new affiliates to get into those networks. How can you start your baby steps in experimenting with things when you're not even allowed to promote any products? International affiliate friendly. Their direct deposit payment method works with Payoneer, a popular digital wallet that can help you easily get paid online no matter where you are from the world, with a few exceptions. Big variety of products. They have thousands of products available across about 24 categories. That's a lot of niches, a lot of products, and a lot of opportunities. Is ClickBank safe? Yes! ClickBank is a network used by hundreds of thousands, if not millions, of affiliate marketers. It is just a way to find new affiliate products to recommend and then connecting with the owner of the product. Think is ClickBank as the Amazon or Walmart of affiliate offers. You can shop around, find what you like, and then promote it on your website. How much money can I make with ClickBank? This is a highly subjective question. The biggest factors involved are the products you choose and how you promote them. We'll break down exactly what to do in the next sections, but if you're asking if it's possible to make money with ClickBank as an affiliate in general, then the answer is yes, definitely. It's not uncommon to see people doing 3 figures daily on ClickBank. A typical sale earns you $15 to $50 in commission. Say the average is $30. This means you need 4 sales a day to hit $100. This seems doable, doesn't it? Depending on your level of expertise, you could hit the first sale in a couple of days or months. But if you're a complete newbie, it's not unrealistic to aim for your first sale in 2 to 3 months. From that point onwards, once you provide to yourself that it works, things become much easier. How to make money with ClickBank, the $500 plus day blueprint. So now on to the nitty-gritty. Here's a breakdown of what we'll be covering to help you get your first ClickBank sale. There are 3 major steps: the product offer, the funnel, the traffic. We'll go into more detail regarding each step, but let us give you some quick overview of each. The product offer is the ClickBank product you'll be promoting. This might seem like it's simple enough, but screwing up this step could potentially hinder you from earning a single cent because the other steps are built on top of it. Product research has its own separate section below. Next up is the funnel. The funnel basically represents the journey a visitor takes from the point they're exposed to your website ad link for the first time, and up to that point, they make a purchase through your affiliate link. There are different approaches to this, and we'll be discussing examples in the dedicated section below. Finally, the traffic. You have the product, you've set up the journey, your visitor will go through the funnel to get the product. Now, all of that's left start actually driving those visitors to your funnel. 1. The product. So before you choose a product, you need to hop on the ClickBank website and sign up an affiliate account. This is a straightforward process that you can start here. Once you're done, it's time to navigate the marketplace and start browsing. The general exploration phase. A lot of people will recommend selecting a niche category you're familiar with right off the bat and browsing products inside it. Although we agree with this approach for strong reasons we'll outline later, we do not think it should be the starting point. Simply go ahead and hit the magnifying glass button next to the search bar without typing anything. This will allow you to browse an aggregate list of products from all categories. You can use the Sort Results by drop-down menu to sort the results according to a number of different criteria. For our purposes, we'll keep it set as popularity for now, and although we encourage you to sort by gravity and browse products that way. At this point, forget categories, niches, and everything else. We simply want to identify what makes a good product. But what do these terms mean? High gravity means a lot of affiliates are making money with that product or its proven product. You might be thinking, that's a no-brainer, right? Simply sort by highest gravity and pick a product out of those. Well, while many advise going that route, it has its issues. The one main being high gravity equals a lot of other affiliates equals a lot of competition. This isn't always a bad thing, but might not be ideal for people just starting out. Before we move on to the next section, browse through 10 to 20 high gravity products. Visit their sales page and their affiliate tools page. Notice how they sell the product to both their customers and you as an affiliate. You'll quickly start noticing patterns. The common traits you see among the top products usually have a significant contribution to their success. We want to understand these traits so we can spot them in other products that may be less competitive but can sell well. Choosing a product. At this point, you should have a general idea what a good product looks like by analyzing top gravity products across all categories. You should also have some ideas about what niches categories you want to get into. Now it's time to choose a product to promote. Here's a checklist. Interest in the niche. Gravity is not a deal breaker. Wow factor and solution for niche problem. Great sales page. Affiliate tools support. The funnel. Once you've chosen your product, it's time to think about the typical journey your visitor would go through till they end up buying your product. Here are some of the most popular journeys. Direct linking, lander, offer, lander, opt-in, offer. Although the third approach is the most complex in terms of setup, it has a major advantage. You're building your email list. You can get in touch with everyone who filled your form and can promote offers to them again and again. This is why it's the recommended approach. Traffic. So how do you drive visitors to your website and hence your offer? When driving traffic, you could either pay by spending effort and time or pay by actually paying the traffic. Thanks for watching. Go ahead and click in one of these 2 videos while you're here. See you there.